Hello guys, it's your girl Patience here, and I am the CEO for Inception. Inception is a female fashion brand based in Ghana, and on this channel I post sewing tutorial. So even if you want to learn from scratch, you can join this channel, watch my videos, comment, subscribe, and share it to people who may need this. Stay tuned and let's get into today's tutorial. So today we are learning the anatomy of machine. Yes, anatomy of machine, because we will start right away from the top to the down, learn how to thread, how to bobbin, and everything about the machine. Yes, so this is the downside of the machine, where you have the shuttle, you have all the intestines over there. Yes, and what you see me winding is the handle and the wheel. So normally when you buy the machine new, because it is in the box, normally the hand is down like this. Okay, so you have to lift it, then you fix it well. And in fixing, there's this small metallic there that you can pull. So you pull it, then you fix your handle in there. Okay, so that side is called the wheel. Okay, so as you can see me winding, meaning now your machine is ready to wind. Okay, then let's go to the shuttle part, and this is where we call the disassembling and reassembling of machine. Okay, so this is how you deassemble the shuttle part. So you plug off that thing over there. Yes, that is how I can explain it. Just look at what I'm doing. Then you bring those metal in out. Okay, but after you realize that there's this semicircle metal in it which didn't come out, yes, that one, it has been permanently fixed in the machine, and that is what does the magic. That is what helps you to fix the shuttle area well. So when I deassembled the machine, yes, you see this semicircle metal. Okay, this is also another semicircle metal that has that crab figure hands over there. Yes, so you insert it so that it will make a full circle. I believe you understand what I'm saying. Okay, if you don't understand, you just look at what I'm doing. Yes, then you pick this metal. This is the cover for the shuttle. So you fix it in such a way that, yes, the top, where it has the pointed, will face out, so that you can lock it permanently. Yes, and one thing you should take notice of is when you are fixing this bobbin area, okay, make sure that your needle is up. If your needle is inside, it won't be able to fix. So always make sure that when you are fixing your bobbin area, your needle will be up. Now let's go to the upper part of the machine. So we have the thread tension, we have the face plate. Yes, that's why where I'm showing the thread guide, the thread tension. Then yes, so the thread tension is what helps you to regulate how tight or how loose your thread is during the sewing process. Okay, so that screw over there, that is what you use to tighten and loosen it. Yes, and that is the thread take up lever, and another thread guide, and another thread guide. Then you get to the needle. So that is that for that face. Yeah, I hope you understand everything. So when you come to this side, you have this pull pin where you put your thread. Okay, when during the threading, then this is the, forgetting the name, but this is what regulates the stitches. So you take it up, it's back stitch, you take it down, middle it stitches right, then down is loose stitches. Yes, so it's time to run our bobbin. So in running your bobbin, you see on the bobbin bobbin, there's some holes on the bobbin. Okay, so you pass your thread through, then you roll about 5 times, then you put it in your bobbin winding winding area where the arrow was showing. Yes, so you put it there, you wind your bobbin. Great. So this is how to fix the bobbin in the bobbing case. So you take your bobbin, making sure that your bobbin is going in a clockwise direction. Okay, then you put your thread in that small hole on the bobbin case, then you pass it through that opening metal. Yes, then you bring it down, then you try to pull the thread to confirm that it is well fixed, and it should be going in a clockwise direction. It's time to fix the bobbin case in the shuttle. So you fix it in it like how you can see the arrow pointing, and there's some hole there. It should sound ke if it is rightly fixed. Now it's time to fix the needle. So when you take a needle, it has this flat side, okay, where the scarf is. Then we have the place that feels like gutter, that place feels rough, like where the arrow is showing. Yes, so this is the kind of needle I use for this machine. It is size 14, and the needle depends on the fabric you are using. Okay, so you can also learn on the needles and the fabrics that are appropriate for it. Okay, so now to fix your needle, you'll have to lose the needle clamp. Yes, that is what I'm showing. You lose your needle clamp so that your needle can come out and you'll be able to fix it. Yes, so now you take your needle, okay, and you look for the flat side. The flat side is where it goes in there. Yes, like where the arrow is showing, that is where it goes into the needle bar. Okay, so you put your needle clamp in again, then you fix it, making sure that the groove part is facing outside, I mean the right place. Okay, so as you see me doing, and when you are fixing the needle, that is when you are supposed to adjust the needle properly so that the eye will face well. If it's tilted a bit, it will not be able to sew, or it will be breaking. Okay, so you have to fix it in such a way that when you bring it down, it goes into that tiny hole there properly, and it can go down and pick the bobbin thread out. Do you understand? If you don't understand anything, just comment and I'm going to explain it to you. I'll drop my number as well, so if you don't understand anything, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, yes. Now to threading of the machine. So you put your thread on your spool pin, then you follow your thread guides on the machine to thread your thread appropriately. Okay, so the first thread guide is what you can see up back there. Yes, so you pass it through, then you pass it in between those two plates in the thread tension area. Okay, and yeah, just like how you can see me doing, you just watch my hands. Yeah, and you are going to get it. Now you bring the thread lever take up, then you put your thread in it. So my thread was not smooth, so I went ahead to smoothen it, then I placed it in perfectly, just like you see me doing. Then there's another thread guide on the plate. Yes, it's some small curved metal, so you put your thread in there too, then you bring it to the last thread guide. Yes, and that one is around where the needle bar is, so you put it in. Yeah, very demure. Then your thread is supposed to go from where the groove is to the back of the needle. So when I showed in the picture where you have that rough part, that is where your thread is supposed to go through, then it will come to the wrong side of the needle. Okay, so you can see I'm passing my hand there to show you that yes, that is where the thread is supposed to go through, then it comes to the wrong side. Okay, now you have your machine threaded both down and up. Great. Okay, so to take your bobbin thread from the down, you just have to pass your needle through, then boom, your bobbin thread 2 is out, and now it is time to sew. Yeah, you see, it is easy, it is not difficult at all. So now go ahead, wind your bobbin, thread your machine, and get started. See you in my next video. Bye.